Imagine being able to create slide decks, especially the graphics, that would normally take you hours in just 10 minutes. Studies show that consultants spend about 1,500 hours every single year on slide creation. That's about 37.5 weeks of full-time work on just making things look pretty. As someone who was a management consultant for the last 10 years, this was a huge pain point. I remember spending countless weekends having to create these slide decks instead of being able to enjoy my personal time. So in this video, I'm going to show you how this new AI tool called Napkin AI cuts away the 90% of creating slide decks and graphics. If we haven't met before, my name is San, and this channel is about solving business problems using AI and automation. So if this is something that you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I also have a school community where you can come in and learn about AI and automation so that you can solve problems that are happening in your business. All right, with that being said, let's get right into it. All right, so we are on the homepage of Napkin AI. It is currently in beta, but the last time I checked, they said that they have over 2 million beta users. I think it's the best tool that's out on the market for creating graphics and any kind of visuals that you want to use. So the moment it's free to use. So I recommend getting an account as soon as possible. Let's go ahead and log in and let me show you around. All right. So we're going to create a new napkin. So you can use AI to come up with the text for what you want to create, or you come up with a blank napkin. So I'm going to start with the AI part. Okay. It basically works like ChatGPT, where you just tell it a prompt and it will help you generate the text. So let's create a SWOT analysis for, let's say, McDonald's. Okay. So now it's going to help me come up with the content for the prompt that I gave. All right. So there's nothing super impressive about the output, but where this tool really shines is in the part where we're creating the graphics. So let me show you how that works. You're going to select the text that you want to create a graphic from, and then you're going to click this blue icon, and it's going to take the text that I've highlighted, and then it's going to create a graphic that is going to show the visualization of the text that I've, and you can see here that created, and I can go through so many different kinds of styles that Napkin is able to offer. So let's say that I like this one, right? And then I can even go through different types of themes inside of this graphic here. So let's say I wanted to make it more colorful like this, so I can choose that. I can also have my own brand guide or styling. So if you wanted to create a new style, you can do one for yourself. You can see here that you'll be able to choose the different colors and backgrounds and all of those different things. So let's pretend that we want to use this color, and then it's going to ask me for the font. Let's say I wanted to use Arial. All right. And then it's going to help me come up with a couple of different styles to choose from. Let's say I want it more simple like this, number 7. And then you can fine tune that styling on top of that. So if you wanted to, let's say, make this one a little bit thicker, you can do that, right? So now all the icons are thicker. All right. There's so many customizations that you could go with when you're creating your own theme. Okay. Now, really cool is that even once the graphic is created, I can edit it. I can change the text here. I can also change the icons as well. So if I didn't like this icon, I can click on this little blue icon and I can change it to something else that's still relevant, but it's maybe you have a different preference for the icon. The other thing that you can do is you can also share this document here with your teammates. So you just have to add their email addresses and you can share this now. You can also share a public link for other people to view this. And if you're working with the team, you can add comments in this area here. And you can also highlight specific things if you wanted to. And once you're ready to download this, you can just come over here and click export, and you'll be able to download this graphic onto whatever presentation deck that you're using. For example, PowerPoint deck, you can just copy and paste this image onto the deck. I can also use some of these tools that are down here. So for example, with Spark Search, I can search for different types of little graphics. If I wanted to add it onto my page here, I can also add any kind of labeling, just cat, right? And if I wanted to maybe sketch something out, I can do that here as well. Okay. So pretty cool. I can also add images into this document as well. All right, that's it for today's video. If this was helpful to you, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are interested in solving different types of business problems using AI and automation. If you're interested in starting an AI automation agency, go ahead and watch this video where I talk about what services you can offer and how you can get your first client. All right, see you in the next video.